The Mettler Toledo M800 transmitter with multi-channel, multi-parameter flexibility is easily configured to enable greater operational insight into water chemistry and measurement relationships. Up to 8 parameters can be displayed and output simultaneously from one transmitter. Let's look at this flexibility demonstrated in the Mettler Toledo DCC1000 degassed cation conductivity system. The M800 is displaying 3 conductivity readings: specific, cation, and degassed cation with process temperature. Calculated pH based on specific and cation conductivity and CO2 concentration based on cation and degassed conductivity are also displayed. Yet another channel is measuring dissolved oxygen, but this could alternatively be measuring pH or TOC. This flexibility allows you to monitor numerous analytical measurements from one device. Trending using the graphic display mode for any of these parameters is available at the touch of a key with the M800 transmitter. Our intelligent sensor management, or ISM technology, significantly simplifies sensor operations. The plug and measure capability ensures measurement startup that is fast and error-free. And digital ISM sensors offer the highest accuracy available. ISM for pH and dissolved oxygen enables reduced maintenance through predictive sensor diagnostic tools, such as sensor life expectancy, time until maintenance will be needed, and calibration interval timing based on actual measuring conditions. Mettler Toledo Thornton offers a broad portfolio of innovative measurement capabilities to optimize cycle chemistry measurements that help power plant chemists and operators run their monitoring programs more effectively and more efficiently.